Once upon a time, in a land of twinkling stars and glowing flowers, there was a sparkling little cottage in the middle of Fairyland. In that cottage lived a very special fairy named Glamora. Glamora was not like other fairies. While most fairies made flowers bloom, created rainbows, or played with fireflies, Glamora's magic was different. With a wave of her wand, she could create lipsticks from roses, blush from pink clouds, eyeshadow from butterfly wings, and perfumes from morning dew. She was known throughout Fairyland as the makeup fairy. Every fairy admired her talent. Whenever they wanted to look extra beautiful, they would visit Glamora, and she would create a glow more magical than any diamond. One bright morning, a golden trumpet sounded from the Crystal Palace. The Fairy Queen appeared on her balcony and announced, "Tomorrow night will be the royal ball night. All fairies must come dressed in their most beautiful form." The whole kingdom cheered with excitement. The royal ball was the grandest event of the year. That evening, fairies in glittering gowns flew to Glamora's cottage. "Please, Glamora, make us look our best," they begged. Her little cottage was filled with laughter and chatter as the fairies waited to be transformed by her magical touch. But when Glamora turned to her magic vanity table, her smile faded. She gasped. Her most special lipstick, the one made of enchanted rose petals, was gone. Glamora's heart sank. She waved her wand and called upon her magic mirror. The mirror glowed and showed a shadowy figure, a shadow fairy, slipping away with the lipstick. "Oh no," whispered Glamora. "Without that lipstick, my friends will not shine at the royal ball." For a moment she felt sad, but then she lifted her chin. "No, I won't let them down. If the lipstick is gone, I will create something even more magical." That night, Glamora stepped into the enchanted forest. The moonlight bathed the trees in silver, and the fireflies lit her path. She raised her wand high and chanted, "By magic light, by fairy glow, let beauty and colors flow." A swirl of rainbow sparkles burst into the sky, showering the land with enchanted light. The fairies waiting in the palace garden gasped. Their lips suddenly glowed in shades of soft pink and crimson, their cheeks shimmered with natural blush, and their faces radiated a warm, magical glow. They had never looked so beautiful. At the royal ball, the Fairy Queen looked around in amazement. "Glamora," she said with a smile, "you have shown us that true beauty does not come from products alone. It comes from creativity, kindness, and a generous heart." The fairies clapped and cheered, twirling in their sparkling gowns. That night, Fairyland shone brighter than ever. The fairies danced under the starlit sky, their laughter ringing like silver bells. And Glamora, standing quietly with a warm smile, thought to herself, "The real magic is not in makeup, it is in bringing joy to others."